Good day, everyone. On behalf of our group, I'm pleased to present our report on topic 1, technical publication. Technical publication innovation are essential documents that provide standardized, detailed, and authoritative information for the operations, maintenance, inspection, and repair of aircraft and associated systems. These publications serve as the primary reference for aviation professionals, including maintenance technicians, engineers, and pilots, to ensure that all tasks are performed safely, efficiently, and in compliance with regulatory standards. Produced by aircraft manufacturers, component suppliers, and regulatory bodies, technical publications cover a wide range of subjects such as aircraft system, structural repair, troubleshooting procedure, and wearing diagrams and parts of identification. Common types include aircraft maintenance manual, illustrated parts catalog, structural repair manuals, and service bulletin. The primary purpose of technical publication in aviation is to provide clear, accurate, and standardized information required for the safe operation, maintenance, inspection, and repair of aircraft and their systems. These documents are essential tools for ensuring that aviation professionals perform their duties correctly and in full compliance with regulatory and manufacturer requirements. The introduction explain the importance and purpose of technical publication in aviation. These documents are created by manufacturers, suppliers, and aviation authorities to provide clear, standardized, and authoritative instructions for operating, maintaining, and repairing aircraft. They ensure tasks are done safely and in line with regulation. Examples: aircraft maintenance manual, illustrated parts catalog, and service bulletins. And for the summary of our topic, technical publication innovation are critical documents that provide comprehensive that standardized information for the safe, efficient operation, maintenance, and repair of aircraft and their components. These publications are created by aircraft manufacturer, component suppliers, and aviation regulatory authorities to ensure that all aviation personnel, such as maintenance technicians, engineers, and pilots, have access to accurate and up-to-date technical guidance. Aviation technical publication cover everything from routine inspection and troubleshooting procedure to complex repair instructions and system overviews. These documents help maintain compliance with strict safety regulation set by aviation authorities like the Federal Aviation Administration and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency.
Types of technical publication. Illustrated Parts Catalog or IPC. The IPC provides diagram, illustration, and part number for all components of an aircraft and its system. It helps technician identify, order, and replace parts by providing clear visual representation and cross-reference to specific part number. This includes all parts for all system and it's usually not customized by the airline configuration. However, when the aircraft is customized, it will show part by by figure, part number, and item number with aircraft applicability. The second is Structural Repair Manual or SRM. The SRM contains guidelines and procedure for inspecting and repairing structural damage on aircraft. It's crucial for ensuring the integrity of the aircraft airframe and structure. The manual outline acceptable repair method and standard ensuring repairs do not compromise the aircraft safety or airworthiness. The SRM is give the acceptable dimension and limits of damage to the aircraft structure. So the operator know when the damage should be fixed. The next one is Component Maintenance Manual or CMM. The CMM provides detailed instruction for maintaining and overhauling individual aircraft components, such as engine, avionics, landing gear, and other critical systems. This manual guides technician through the maintenance inspection and overhaul process for CPCP components. The SRM, I, CMM, the components installed on the aircraft are chosen by the airline and are the next one is Service Bulletin or SB. Service Bulletin are issued by the manufacturer to provide important information about aircraft modification, upgrade, or safety recommendation. They offer updates and enhancements or fixes that improve the performance, safety, or reliability of the aircraft. SBS can be voluntary or mandatory depending on the nature of the information. For example, if the flight crew seat is vertical adjustment. The next one is airworthiness, Directive 8 or AD. ADs are legally enforceable directive issued by aviation regulatory bodies to address safety concerns regarding aircraft or components. They mandate specific action such as inspection, repairs, or modification to maintain the airworthiness of an aircraft. The next one is Aircraft Maintenance Manual or AMM. A formal documents containing all the basic information on the operation and maintain of the aircraft and its on-board equipment. AMM is document that explain how the system and subsystem work, including detailing, description, and operating detail, maintenance instructor. Next one is function of technical publication.
Technical publication. Next, guidance. Technical publications provide clear step-by-step instructions for the maintenance, repair, and servicing of the aircraft and their components. This helps maintenance personnel perform tasks accurately, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring the aircraft is in optimal working condition. Maintenance guidance provides detailed instructions about scheduled and unscheduled maintenance, ensuring the systems are serviced correctly. Next is troubleshooting and fault isolation. Technical publications, especially fault isolation manual or FIM, offers a systematic procedures to diagnose and isolate faults in various aircraft systems. They enable technicians to quickly identify and resolve issues, minimizing downtime and ensuring the aircraft is returned to service promptly. Uh, Troubleshooting and fault isolation is outlines systematic procedures to detect and diagnose and isolate systems malfunctions. Next is regulation such as airworthiness directives or ADs and service bulletins provide mandatory instructions and recommendation that help ensure aircraft meet regulatory standards. Compliance with these publications ensures that aircraft remain ensures all maintenance and operational practices meet aviation standards, especially the standards of FAA and EASA. These standards, maintenance and operational procedures across different operators and locations, standardization ensures that all maintenance activities are performed uniformly, improving safety and reducing the chances of errors or misunderstandings. This standardization of procedures implements uniform process across maintenance activities to ensure consistency and reduce errors. Next is parts identification and ordering. Publication like the illustrated parts catalog or IPC provide diagrams, part numbers, and descriptions of components. They help technicians easily identify parts and order replacements ensuring the correct components are used in maintenance repairs. Parts identification and ordering facilitates accurate and identification of components and provides a streamlined process for ordering parts. Next is safety assurance. Publication like the Illustrated Parts Catalog or IPC provides diagrams, part numbers, and description of components. They help technicians easily identify parts and order replacements, ensuring the correct components are used in maintenance and repairs. Next is safety assurance. Habal. Technical publications contain vital information related to the aircraft operations limits, emergency procedures, and recommended safety measures. They provide flight crews and maintenance staff with the necessary data to maintain the safety and security of the aircraft and passengers during flight and maintenance operations. Safety assurance incorporates safety protocols and checks throughout operation to mitigate risk and maintain secure working environment. Next slide. Next slide. Knowledge transfer and training. Technical publications serve as training tool for new personnel and as a reference for experienced technician, engineers, and pilots. They support ongoing education and skill development, ensuring that aviation professionals are familiar with the latest maintenance practices, troubleshooting techniques, and safety protocols. Knowledge transfer and training supports ongoing educational and skill development for personnel, promoting competence and adaptation to new technologies. Next is continuous airworthiness. Technical publication documents inspection, repairs, modification, and upgrades that ensures the aircraft remains in a condition for a safe operation. They help maintain the long-term airworthiness of an aircraft by ensuring that it is kept to update with all necessary modifications and maintenance tasks. Continuous airworthiness maintains aircraft in a good condition for safe operation through regular inspections. Next is operational efficiency. They streamline aircraft operation by providing pilots and crews with detailed instructions on operational procedures, system settings, and performance data. This ensures that flight crews operate the aircraft efficiently, adhering to best practice and minimizing potential delays or safety concerns. Operational efficiency optimizes maintenance and support operations to reduce cost, improve turnaround times, and enhance overall productivity.
Libraries are collection of technical documents, manual, and reference materials maintained by airlines to support aircraft operations, maintenance, and compliance with aviation regulation. These libraries typically include aircraft maintenance manual, wiring diagrams, fault isolation manuals, structural repair manual, illustrated parts catalogs, service bulletin, airworthiness directives, operations manual, and regulatory and OEM documentation. These libraries ensure maintenance personnel and engineers have access to the latest information for safe and accurate tasks. Airline libraries generally fall into two main types: flight aviation libraries and digital aircraft document libraries. Flight school libraries, education materials for pilots, including manuals, handbook, and safety guides. Digital aircraft document libraries offer airline personnel access to aircraft manuals, service bulletins, and other technical information in a digital format, often integrated with pilot operation software. Flight school aviation libraries to provide pilots and aviation students with the necessary knowledge and resources to learn and practice flying. Digital aircraft document libraries to provide airline personnel pilot, engineers, dispatchers with access to technical documents and information related to aircraft maintenance, operation, and safety.
So, control of publications. In the aviation industry, the control of publications is a critical safety and compliance function, and it ensures that all personnel have access to the latest, most accurate, and authorized versions of operational, maintenance, and regulatory documents. These publications guide daily operations and must be tightly regulated to maintain safety, regulatory compliance, and operational efficiency. Now, control of publications in aviation ensures that all operational, maintenance, and safety documents are accurate, current, and accessible to authorized personnel. Now, this includes flight manuals, maintenance procedure, charts, regulatory notices, which are critical for safe and compliant operations. Document control systems like electronic flight bags and document management systems help manage updates and restrict access to outdated versions. Regulatory bodies such as the FAA and ICAO require strict adherence to publication control standards. Effective control prevents error, enhance safety, and ensure smooth coordination across all aviation functions. Next. Now, documentation distribution is it refers to the organized process of delivering essential documents such as flight manuals, safety procedures, maintenance instructions, and regulatory updates to the appropriate personnel. And this ensures that pilots, engineers, and ground staff always have access to the most current and accurate information. Distribution is often managed digitally through systems like electronic flight bags and document management systems, which allow for real-time updates and version control. Regulatory bodies like the FAA and EASA mandate strict guidelines to ensure that outdated or incorrect documents are not in use. And proper documentation distribution is vital for operational safety, regulatory compliance, and overall efficiency in operations. And it is paramount to ensure safety, compliance, and operational efficiency, including airlines, maintenance providers, and regulatory bodies must adhere to stringent standards set by authorities such as the FAA, EASA, and the ICAO. Now, these standards mandate that all personnel have access to the most current and accurate information. Like the traditional methods of managing aviation documents, like paper-based systems, are increasingly being replaced by digital solutions. Modern document management systems offer features like version control, access permission, and, as I mentioned, real-time updates. And for instances, online platforms provide centralized repositories where documents can be stored, updated, and secured securely. These systems ensure that only authorized personnel can view or edit specific documents, thereby maintaining the integrity of the information. Now, furthermore, the digitization of the documents facilitates compliance with regulatory requirements. For example, the CAAP manages aviation records through its Aviation Records Management Division, which handles the safekeeping and retrieval of documents such as pilot licenses and aircraft registrations. This centralized approach streamlines processes and ensures that the records are readily available for audits, renewals, or legal purposes. And by adopting these modern digital solutions and adhering to the regulatory standards in aviation, it severely enhanced the effective control and distribution of publications throughout different aviation organizations.
Thank you for listening to our group. We hope you learned something about the importance of technical publication in aviation. Sir, can you explain the role of technical publications in ensuring aircraft safety and compliance?
Regarding sa publication, more on recording or documentation yan sa regarding sa aircraft. Lahat ng nilalagbook ng mga mekaniko at the same time sa training department, inikip din yan na technical publication. So, regarding naman sa safety sa publication, napaka-importante yan kasi during audit, sine-check yan kung masusunod ba yung mga policy regarding sa authority natin. So, yun lang.
Sir, last question. How do you ensure that the technical content you create or edit is accurate and compliant with regulatory requirements?
Regarding sa kung tama ba yung namin, mga reference, is doon namin siya kinukuha sa manufacturer or nag-cross-checking kami between dun sa pag-aaral namin dun sa internet. And also by questioning dun sa experience na mechanic at the same time sa experience ng mga managers.
Inspirational message on the particular in the topic.
Dun sa inspirational message is si daw gaano ka-vocal regarding dun sa pagiging inspirational. Basta yung tip is sundin lang yung policy. At the same time, keep track yung mga records and always update by always reading and researching. Hi, good morning. My name is Alvin Valenciano, and currently I'm with 2 years of experience. So sa pagtuturo at the same time sa pagmemekaniko. And ngayon dito ako sa CAB.
Stop. Inspirational message on the particular in the topic.
Dun sa inspirational message is si daw gaano ka-vocal regarding dun sa pagiging inspirational. Basta yung tip is sundin lang yung policy. At the same time, keep track yung mga records and always update by always reading and researching. Hi, good morning. My name is Alvin Valenciano, and currently I'm with 2 years of experience. So sa pagtuturo at the same time sa pagmemekaniko. And ngayon dito ako sa CAB.
Stop.